If you feel pain or stiffness in your joints, especially in your knees or back, this video will show you 6 seeds consumed in Japan that strengthen joints and reduce pain, all based on science and Oriental wisdom. In Japan, they have been used for centuries, not only as food, but as part of a quiet routine of muscular regeneration. Now, science is beginning to reveal why these tiny grains may be the key to stronger joints after 60. Did you know that after age 50, the body produces up to 30% less collagen every decade? This silent decline is one of the main causes of stiffness, pain, and loss of mobility that so many people face without understanding why. What seems like natural aging is actually a biochemical process of wear and tear that can be slowed or even reversed with the right nutrients. Before we continue, I want to hear from you. Where are you watching from? And what time is it there? Write it in the comments. I'd love to read. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tips on how to strengthen your joints and maintain mobility for many years to come. As collagen decreases, friction between bones increases, and the synovial fluid, responsible for lubricating the joints, loses efficiency. This opens the door to inflammation, swelling, and persistent pain. And even worse, modern habits like sedentary lifestyles and diets low in minerals and healthy fats accelerate this damage, making daily movement a real challenge. But Japan found a simple and effective answer to this problem. Instead of relying on expensive medication, they turned to functional foods, especially seeds and nuts that nourish the body from within. And that's exactly where the secret of Japanese longevity lies. Small daily doses of nutrients capable of restoring lost elasticity. In the next few minutes, you'll discover which 6 foods these are, and why they make such a difference. At the end of the video, we'll show you how to use them and where to find them. 6. Chia seeds. People imagine that such a tiny seed could have such a big impact on joint health. Chia is one of the richest plant sources of omega-3, an essential nutrient that helps reduce inflammation and naturally lubricate the joints. In recent studies, people who consumed chia daily reported significant improvement in flexibility and reduced pain in areas like the knees and ankles. Beyond omega-3, chia is packed with calcium, magnesium, and plant-based proteins that stimulate collagen regeneration, crucial for keeping joints firm and elastic. It also supports circulation, as its fibers help blood flow through the lower limbs, reducing swelling and that heavy leg feeling at the end of the day. Small amounts, consumed consistently, lead to remarkable results. What's most interesting is that in Japan, chia is naturally integrated into daily routines, in teas, soups, or sprinkled over rice. This daily habit, repeated with patience and balance, is what ensures lasting results. And among the many seeds valued in the Japanese diet, one stands out for protecting collagen and accelerating joint regeneration. 5. Walnuts. Did you know that just a handful of walnuts a day can act as a natural shield against joint wear and tear? Rich in ALA-type fatty acids, a plant form of omega-3, they fight silent inflammation that degrades collagen over the years. Studies show that regular walnut consumption improves flexibility, reduces pain, and even helps restore connective tissue that supports movement. In addition to healthy fats, walnuts are an excellent source of copper and manganese, essential minerals for repairing damaged tissues. These nutrients directly support enzyme formation that regenerates cartilage and keeps synovial fluid stable. The result is noticeably better mobility, especially in people with stiffness in the legs and knees. In Japan, walnut consumption is balanced, about 3 to 5 pieces per day, usually raw or lightly toasted. This consistency is the secret behind their effectiveness. And among foods that strengthen the body from the inside out, there's one that perfectly complements the effect of walnuts, bringing together bone strength and muscle protection. 4. Almonds. Few people know that almonds are one of the most complete foods for preserving joint and muscle strength after 60. They combine calcium, magnesium, and vitamin E, a powerful trio that strengthens bones, reduces inflammation, and protects collagen from premature aging. The result is visibly firmer legs and more stable daily movements. Magnesium in almonds is essential for proper muscle and nerve function, preventing cramps and stiffness. Meanwhile, vitamin E acts as a natural antioxidant, fighting free radicals that accelerate joint wear. Just 6 to 8 almonds a day are enough to deliver these benefits, especially when consumed consistently. In Japanese culture, almonds are seen as a source of clean, steady energy, perfect for those seeking vitality without overloading the body. And to complete this balance, there's a seed widely used in Japan that offers structural strength and deep joint repair. 3. Pumpkin seeds. You know that just a few tablespoons of pumpkin seeds per day can strengthen your joints from the inside out. Known in Japan as kabocha no tain, they're rich in zinc, an essential mineral for collagen production and repair. Zinc also plays a key role in immunity and tissue regeneration, helping reduce swelling, pain, and joint fragility. Beyond zinc, these seeds provide iron, magnesium, and healthy fats, which stimulate circulation and contribute to lighter, less tired legs. Adding them to your diet is simple. In soups, salads, rice, or ground as a topping, they deliver vital nutrients effortlessly. The secret lies in consistency. Small daily portions keep the body balanced and active. And, just like chia and walnuts, pumpkin seeds don't work in isolation. They're part of a broader nutritional routine that encourages the body's natural regeneration. Continuing along that line, there's an even more complete seed that combines all essential amino acids and enhances joint flexibility, which we'll explore next. 2. Hemp seeds. Few people know this, but hemp seeds are considered a complete functional food. They contain all essential amino acids and a balanced ratio of omega-3 and omega-6, working together to reduce inflammation, rebuild tissues, and restore joint flexibility. This makes them one of the best options for natural regeneration without supplements. Hemp seeds are also rich in magnesium, which supports muscle contraction, nerve transmission, and prevents cramps, reinforcing the base of joint movement. Unlike some other plant sources, they're easily digestible and gentle on the stomach, making daily consumption simple and effective. Just 1 tablespoon per day is enough to see results, and like all previous seeds, hemp follows the Japanese philosophy of small, steady doses that turn food into medicine. But there's still one traditional ingredient, consumed for centuries in Japan, that offers essential minerals and powerful antioxidants to protect bones, relax muscles, and relieve pain, rounding out our list of superfoods. 1. Sesame seeds. Most people see sesame merely as a seasoning, but it's a powerful ally for joints and bones. Rich in calcium, magnesium, iron, and copper, it strengthens bone structure, relaxes muscles, and improves circulation. While the natural compound sesame reduces inflammation and protects collagen from wear, consumed daily on toasted, ground, or added to sauces, soups, or rice, sesame helps reduce joint pain and maintain natural mobility. Just 1 or 2 tablespoons a day provide enough nutrients to strengthen bones and protect joints from the effects of aging. With this final seed, we complete the list of 6 foods that form the foundation of Japanese longevity. More than that, they reveal a pattern. Consistency and small daily doses are the true secret to preserving mobility, reducing pain and keeping the body active even after 60. In the next topic, we'll see how to incorporate these foods practically into your daily routine. The secret isn't eating large amounts, but rather integrating small portions of these superfoods into daily meals. Chia can be added to yogurt, fruit, or soups. Ground sesame goes well on rice, vegetables, or sauces. Walnuts and almonds make perfect snacks or salad toppings. Pumpkin seeds can be mixed into soups or rice. And hemp seeds blend perfectly in smoothies, yogurt, or cooked vegetables. This balance provides omega-3, zinc, magnesium, and proteins, essential for joints, muscles, and bones. To make it easier, try organizing your week with simple combinations: Monday and Thursday, chia and sesame; Tuesday and Friday, walnuts and pumpkin seeds; Wednesday and Saturday, almonds and hemp. This keeps your diet varied and prevents monotony while allowing your body to absorb nutrients efficiently and naturally. These seeds and nuts are easy to find in supermarkets, health food stores, or online markets. Chia, sesame, and hemp usually come ready to use. Walnuts and almonds can be bought raw or lightly roasted. Pumpkin seeds can be purchased whole or shelled, great for sprinkling on meals or blending into spreads. Try mixing them into your favorite dishes. And if you have any questions about how to use each one, leave a comment below. We'll help you find the best way to include these superfoods in your routine. And remember, small daily adjustments, combined with proper hydration and light exercise, enhance circulation and joint regeneration. This consistency creates a cumulative effect, making your body lighter, more flexible, and more resilient, the foundation for active, pain-free longevity.